Hello friends and family, welcome to Nice TV show. Welcome to today's episode of today's program, which we call Names of the Body. Names of part of body. Oh yes, from English to Esan language. As you can see the picture, everything is big, written clear for your observation. Without wasting much of your time, you might bring your biro as usual with your books. If you can draw as I did, you can also draw. But if you cannot draw, in case you don't know how to draw, just list the names of the part of the body for your remembrance. So we start from the head. The head is the most important part of the body. So we started from the head. The head. What is head in Esan? Not just only the head, but we have the hair in the head. Eto uhuomo. The hair of the head is called eto uhuomo. Why the head remains uhuomo? The eyes, elolo. Then we have the ear, eho. Also, we have the body of the ear. Not like this, yes, it's the ear I'm touching. But there is a body as well. Egbeho. Namacho egbeho. The body of the ear. We have nose. Ihwe. Nose, we call it ihwe. Then we have mouth. Macho unu. We call it unu. Popularly known as mouth. Mouth. In Esan language, we call it unu. Here we call it eho. I we call it elo. Uhuomo head. Yetumomo hair of the head. We have here naturally ahoy, which is the neck. Nakida we ata eto anacho eto agma die macho eto agma in Esan language. Then we have the shoulder, ijambo, the shoulder, ijambo actually Esan, ijambo. Then after that we have the chest. First of all, the chest, udu, the chest. All this one you are seeing, udu. Then inside the chest, we have breast. Inye. Inye. Namacho inye. Then I can go see what I need there. Macho obo. Which we call hand. Obo. Okay, we have actually abo. Obo. We call it hand in English. In Esan language, we call it obo. Then inside here we have what we call navel. In every creature we have it here. Call it navel. In this time we call it uhoen. It's a macho uhoen. Macho uhoen. Then bachona. We call it elbow in English language, but in Esan language, what do we call it? Ugwobo. Elbow. Ugwobo. Call it ugwobo. Then we have fingers in the hand. Ikmeambo. Then we have here a jagbagogo where we normally tie wristwatch. It's called ahiobo, where we normally tie wristwatch. Ahiobo. Before we go down, here is called stomach. In English, stomach. In Esan language, we call it eke. Eke, macho, eke. Where you have the navel, eke alibi. Then moving to the down part of the body. As you can see, in between the leg, uhiorami. In between the leg, we have uhiorami. So guys, so forth and so on, as you can see, ihiobo, ihiorame, orame. So everything is being written. So you just observe it, list it down accordingly. so that you can understand. So guys, we call it today. This is names of the part of the body from English language to Esan language. See you guys soon in our next episode. So guys, we call it a day today. I'll see you some other time. Bye bye. Bye bye.